Yesterday, my power went out for like 16 plus hours. It was ridiculous. So we never got to finish this because I could not grind any flour and I did not have any white flour set aside. So this is going to be an experiment at this point because this is obviously completely flopped. I would have done something with it yesterday, but I literally couldn't do anything. So let's finish this. So she said that her fat used, and now this is Ruth Ann Zimmerman's recipe. She said that her fat she was going to use in the summertime was 2 eggs to slow down the ferment. My house is nice and warm because of the cook stove. She said 2 tablespoons of butter, but that doesn't really, I mean, I suppose if it's just the egg yolk that's the fat, it would. So maybe I'll follow. Just kidding, I'm not gonna follow. I'm gonna use a half a stick of butter. And she used 2 teaspoons of salt. I'm gonna eyeball mine, and I'm actually gonna add a little bit more because bread, I feel like, takes more salt. I add more to my bread, so I'm just gonna do that. And then she said that it was a total of 8 to 10 cups of flour, and she started slowly adding it. So we have 3 cups in here from last night or yesterday, whenever I did this. And I'm gonna add 4 cups now, so that'll be 7 cups, and then we'll see how it looks. I didn't add any more flour. I needed this for quite some time. This is it's still nice and soft, which I thought that it was a lot stiffer. I was really getting nervous there. So we're gonna let this sit. I'm gonna put this on the cook stove with some plastic wrap, and I'm gonna let it sit for, this is gonna be a tough one because it's 2 o'clock now. So hopefully I don't overproof it, but I'm worried because it wasn't ready anyways because my starter completely fell, and it was supposed to be like ready to start starter. So who knows what's gonna happen. This turned from being like a perfect bread scenario to we'll see how it turns out. Anyway, I'll post the next round of videos whenever they happen to come.